2020, it's here. As we start a new decade, why not learn how to sew? Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about sewing crafts and DIY projects. And as we head into a new year, I wanted to do a new series really focused on beginner sewing. So if you haven't been sewing very long, or if you're interested in sewing but have never done it before, I really want this to be for you. So I have picked up a new sewing machine. This is brand new. Just opened the box. This is the Brother CS7000i. Now, this is an update on the Brother CS6000i, which seems wildly popular. And when I saw they were coming out with a new model, I thought I would pick this one up. I'm going to be doing a few overview videos on this machine, just what comes in the box, how to use it if you've never used a sewing machine. And I think that's one of the most intimidating parts about sewing, is that people buy a sewing machine, they go to Walmart or they go to Costco or Sam's Club, they get one and then it sits in the closet. They never take it out of the box because it just seems a little too overwhelming. So I'm going to be doing just some videos on what to do with it, just basic settings. I know you've probably seen a lot of sewists and quilters use fancier, more expensive machines, but I really wanted to demonstrate through this series that you don't need those machines to make really cool stuff. You can do some really awesome things just on a machine that is very basic. Now, I do own some nicer machines myself, and this year I'm really going to try not to use them. I'm going to do my best just to use this machine, just to test the limits, see what you can do with it, and I'm really going to try to learn this machine inside and out. So again, we are working with the Brother CS7000i. If you don't have a sewing machine and you'd like to purchase this one, it is widely available. Check Amazon for the latest prices. That's where I picked up mine. And we're just gonna see what it can do. If you've watched this channel for a while, you know that I am a bit of a Brother fangirl. They are not paying me. I'm not a spokesperson at all. I purchased all these machines with my own money, and I've owned several Brother machines. I've had the Brother SE400, I have a Brother Serger, and I've also picked up the Brother PE800 embroidery machine, which I absolutely love, and I will continue to use that machine this year because I know quite a few of you have tuned in for the embroidery machine videos, but you don't need an embroidery machine to make basic sewing projects. So that's what we're gonna be focused on this year. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and stay tuned because we're gonna have a lot more videos on beginner sewing. Now, I don't claim to be a sewing expert, but I really wanna try. The goal here is to make sewing just be more approachable and seem less intimidating for someone who hasn't done it before. The reason I selected this machine in particular is because it's widely available online. I picked mine up from Amazon, really easy to get. It has a lower price point compared to a lot of other machines. It comes with a lot of stuff. It comes with quite a few different feet, including a walking foot, which is like my go-to foot for most sewing projects. It has an extension table. It comes with a hard cover. And I really just thought it looked like a really good value. So I really hope this machine is everything I hope for, and we're gonna be using it a lot this year. So stay with me and subscribe if you are new to sewing and you just wanna get a lot of the basics. That's what this series is all about. If you are looking for other beginner sewing videos, I do already have quite a few on this channel, so check one of those out. And I am really excited for this series and to try out this machine. I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. I'll see you guys again in the next video.